Nintendo Switch has only been on the market for just 1 year, but during that time it has shown very high commercial performance and, thanks to this factor, more and more companies are joining the development of projects aimed at the system. In addition to games either indie cutting or developments from famous third-party companies, the Nintendo console is receiving support in the form of middleware with the aim of giving the studios all possible facilities through the arrival of a tool very interesting development called Gradia, whose name is Live2D Cubism. What exactly does this software do? Basically, it is used so that developers can animate a character in the same way that conceptual designs are created in 2D but without having to create 3D models and draw each frame of the animation. Thanks to the software, which is already available with the Nintendo Switch SDK that developers request, many studios will be able to save a lot of time when creating the games. Additionally, it should be noted that Live2D incorporated software is intended for games that make use of the well-known Unity engine graphics engine, which is natively compatible with the system created by Nintendo and which has been seen in action in games like Super Bomberman R, Snipper Eclipse or I Am Setsuna, among many others. Undoubtedly, this is a very interesting addition and that the studies will appreciate since it will make things much easier when creating your projects and selling them on Nintendo Switch in the shortest possible time.